Hold on. Hey guys, it's Chase and I'm back for another YouTube video. Today I'm gonna be doing a mukbang. Yes. So a mukbang is basically where I sit and eat mad food and just talk to y'all. It's like an ASMR. So if you don't like ASMRs, so we got some Dominos, the Parmesan bites. We got a whole pie right here. Medium. I should have got large, but yeah, let's get into the video. So, this pizza looks so So, I don't know what I'm supposed to talk about, but, girl, hold on. This pizza is just so good, it makes no sense. I'm going to get water, be right back. Okay, I'm back. So, let's talk about some stuff that's new. Like Fortnite. Okay. I mean, I used to play this game a lot. Well, not a lot, but like I used to play it quite a bit. And it's actually a pretty addicting game. But I don't see how people can play it for like hours at a time. Like, it's not that addicting. And like, some of the people just play it like it's not even that deep. Like, okay, like I play it like an hour and a half a day. Well, used to. But some people be playing it like 12 hours a day, 6 hours a day. Like, I don't have time for that. Woo! This pizza is so good. I'm gonna take a break from the pizza. I have a garlic bite, Parmesan bite, whatever it's called. Dominos, please sponsor me because this is so good. Wait, I'm a little thirsty. Ooh, back to the pizza. And let's talk about hold on. I'm gonna bring this up for a long time. Kylie Jenner baby, right? Kylie Jenner's baby. Well, now why would she name that child Stormy? Why would you go and name that child Stormy? Like, sis, I know. You could do better than that. Stormy. What if she just was like watching like the Storm character from Marvel, and she just was like, "Oh, take the add the iron." Stormy, like she probably would do some dumb stuff like that. Like, girl, get it together. This is so good. Oh my god. Oh, I know what I can talk about. Earlier, today, my Mukbang break. So I was at home, and I was about to edit a picture on Photoshop downstairs in the computer, and it's like the living room, like the computer's like in the living room. I was in the living room, and of course the living room looks out to the front of the house. So I hear yelling, and these girls cursing, like, "Oh, I'm gonna F you up," and I'm just like, "Oh my god, what's going on?" So I ignored it for like 2 minutes, but I hear no, no, no. So I go upstairs because the bedroom upstairs it looks out to the front of the house too, but you can see like a more like landscape shot, like view of it. I'm looking, and the girl ran up on the other girl, and I'm like, so I whip out my phone, start recording. I'm not gonna say no names, like, I'm not gonna post a video either because, no. So I start recording, and, okay, so, it's just 2 girls against 1. They're not jumping her, it's just like 1 girl fought 1 girl, well, one girl fought the girl, first time. Then the other girl fought the girl. So, I got the girl about to fight the second girl, and her father rolls up. I'm thinking the father about to be like, no, break it up, break it up. The father like, don't touch them, let them get their rounds in. I'm like, but luckily his daughter won both the fights. The police roll up, but the father and daughter let their life. The police roll up. The 2 girls that fought that 1 girl, they still outside. And I guess they family come and stuff like that. So loud. But the police come and they're like, so what happened? Questions. What happened? And I'm just like, girl. Oh, speaking of fights, let me tell y'all about my first fight in a long time. Oh, my first fight that I remember. It happened like a couple months ago. So, my friend, I'm not gonna say their name. I'm just call them, like his first initial, G and T. So they just had fought or whatever. So, it was 3 fights that happened that day. 3 fights. So the girl G and T fought. They cool now. So I don't want to like stir up no new beef. But they cool now. So they both my friends. So they fighting, and one of the girls started bleeding. So this boy, I'm not gonna say his name. Okay, so the boy Jay, he comes to the classroom. So I'm like, oh, you was laughing. So he was like, oh, everybody was laughing. So I'm like, it's not funny. What's so funny? What's so funny? So then, oh, I wish I had nobody recorded. It was so quick that nobody recorded the video. So I just remember him walking over to me. So I'm sitting down because we had a sub, and the sub for that, well, that teacher for that class, she don't play about her work. So I was trying to get that work done, and then he come over to me. So I'm like, let me pause this real quick. So I get up, get my behind up. We like this. He like, I don't have to put my hands on you, or something like that. Yeah, it was like, I don't want to have to put my hands on you. So he like gave me like a little shove, like a little. So then my first instinct, I don't know why I was so mad. I don't know what made me hit him, but I just hit him. I remember he started going back and forth, and I just remember people in the middle of us trying to break us up. Oh, hold on. Sorry, y'all. I had to go tell my sister so mad loud. But I just remember people in the middle of us breaking us up. I don't know what made me so mad to hit him. But I was home, and I'm walking to the principal's office. And I naturally walk fast. If you ever see me walk, I walk fast. So I'm walking, but I guess I walked too fast for the principal. And the principal was like, slow down, slow down. I'm like, I'm just walking down the steps. I'm not gonna touch this boy. Like, I'm a little fool, y'all. I'm gonna take a little break. I'm just gonna talk. But I'm like, I'm not gonna touch this boy. I'm like, no, I'm not doing that again. So, he in the front office, I'm in the back office. And they're just like, oh, blah, blah, blah. They're just like, what's the name? They're like, oh well, if it don't matter who hit who first, both of y'all gonna get suspended. So I'm like, oh okay. Come to find out, I was the only one that got suspended. He didn't get suspended. So I didn't like bring it up or nothing. I just left it all, cause I'm just like. But like, long story short, it wound up being suspended. I wound up being suspended for 2 days, and he didn't get suspended at all. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video here, y'all. I don't know my schedule for uploading yet, but I'll let y'all know the schedule is. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe to this video, share, thumbs up. See y'all later.